Okay, let's look at the number 3 on the 2015 AP Calculus exam. Okay. Joanna jogs along a straight path. For times between 0 and 40, Joanna's velocity is given by a differential function v. Select values of vt where t is measured in minutes and vt is measured in meters per minute, given in the table above. Part A. Use the data in the table to estimate the value of v prime of 16. So what I figure I do here, as we sort of go back on each of these AP exams, I'm going to reference a question or refer to a question from before. So hopefully you've done the 2016, and if you have done the 2016, I'm going to say before you watch the rest of this video, I want you to go back, rewatch the video for 2016 and look at question 1A. Because if you could do question 1A in the 2016, you can handle the 3A in the 2015. Okay? So take a look at that, pause this video, look up that other video, watch it, come back to this, and see if you can figure out how to do this one if you are having issues. And once you do so, now you're back to me, and if you're still having issues, let's solve this problem. So, we've mentioned before that v prime means a rate, so all I have to do is figure out the rate at 16. So I look here and I say, where does 16 exist between 0, 12, 20, 24, and 40? It's going to be right here. 16 is right here between 12 and 20. So these are like y2 and y1, x2 and x1, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter the order, but I'm just going to subtract. So I'm actually going to do y2, y1, x2, x1. So 240 minus 200 over 20 minus 12. This will give me 40 over 8, and that will give me 5. So this tells me that v prime of 16 is 5. Now, don't forget your units here, so recall that above 240 and 200 are meters per minute, which means minutes goes to the bottom. Okay, but 20 and 12 are also minutes. So this is minutes per minute, minutes times minutes. So this the final answer is going to be meters per minute times minute, which is minute squared. And that's your answer. Okay? Which, by the way, one last comment about this. If we think about it, that makes perfect sense because the derivative of velocity is what? Acceleration. Acceleration. Think of gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared. Here we have meters per minute squared. So it all kind of makes sense. So hopefully that all really does make sense, and I'll see you in the next video.